pretty proud of myself. It's not like toppling over. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a different type of video for you. I'm about to go on a trip. I don't know where. I don't know where I'm actually going. So these are technically just like kind of my essentials, and it's like a pack with me video. You can't see it, but that's why I have my handy dandy carry-on with me, and we're gonna pack this thing, so let's start. Okay, so we are now at my closet. It's kind of a hot mess, as you can tell, but that is okay. So basically I'm just gonna like go through this thing and figure out what I want to take so we can pack it in my carry-on. Oh, sorry, you know, if my bra straps keep making appearances during the video. It's a struggle day, that's okay. Okay, cute. Okay, so like now that I finally made up my mind about what stuff in here that I'm gonna bring, well, contemplating, I'm just gonna like show you real quick what it is. I'm not gonna try any of these on. So I have these pants from Fashion Nova. I have these just high-waisted pair of black jeans. I have this like little off-the-shoulder, cute like green. People say it's yellow, but like I think it's green. Top. I have this cute little romper. I think this is so cute. And then like you can just tie it around the waist. Another off the shoulder, just like simple little like get up and go type shirt. Just like a simple casual dress, I guess maybe for like dinners or something. I think this is really cute. Super simple, super cute. If you can't tell, I have a thing for rompers because like, again, it looks like you tried, but you really didn't. And then I have this shirt. I don't think I packed enough shirts. Well, maybe, but like, cause like half of these are rompers, so maybe I did pack enough. And then I keep my shoes in like boxes, if you couldn't tell, just to keep them from off the floor, even though like I have a whole jungle of shoes on my floor, but let's kind of ignore that. So I'm gonna take these like sandals. I loved heel sandals. I think it's a way to just elevate an outfit, but we're not gonna go into a whole fashion 101 on this right now. And then I'm gonna bring my white versions of the black shoes I just showed you because they're like super freaking cute, and they'll go with like, both of these will go with all of my outfits. And then I threw them on the floor because I didn't want to put them on my bed because they weren't in a box. But then my dirty Nikes, because I'm actually gonna wear this as my airport outfit. I'm so last minute when it comes to packing. Like literally we leave in like 2 hours to the airport. Okay guys, so we are now on my floor. Here are the clothes that I picked out, and we're just gonna start packing my carry-on for the trip, and cause I gotta get going soon, so gotta start packing. What I like to do is I like to start, so I'm just gonna grab stuff from my bed. So I like to start by putting all of my jeans like towards the bottom, so like when I stand it up, it's not like all at the top and it gets top heavy and goes. So yeah, so I'm gonna just pack my jeans. I heard rolling was the best, so we're gonna roll. I feel like I should bring a pair of shorts just in case, so I'm gonna go get a pair of shorts. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back like after forever amount of time because I got my shorts, and then I was like, I don't have enough shirts, and then I was like, I do have enough shirts, and then I decided to pack my underclothes because I didn't really feel like it was appropriate right now to go into like a lot of detail and like showing those online on the internet where there's a bunch of weirdos. So how I packed them is what I did is I took the bra and kind of put like one cup into another cup, and then like, so they were like together, and then I put my underwear like in the cup and then folded the strap over it. So it was like all sandwiched together, and then I just packed it. Hopefully that makes sense because I'm not gonna show you guys, sorry. But yeah, I have that. So back to the shorts. I just got a pair of black shorts. They're super freaking wrinkled, but that's okay. So yeah, I have a pair of black shorts that I'm just gonna fold up and just stick beside my black pants. I am going to move on to my rompers and dresses. So they're right here. I separated like everything too, like in the groups to make it easier for this video. Okay, so I have my first romper that I'm gonna pack. I'm just gonna roll up my romper. I already ironed it, and I heard that rolling is supposed to be better after you iron something because it creates less creases. So I'm gonna try to carefully roll this to where I don't roll any creases into it. Pack it. Cool. I'm just gonna repeat the same steps with my other like dresses and stuff. So I'll like flash to the camera what they are so you know what I'm packing. Okay, so I have packed all of my dressier things, my 2 rompers and my dress that I chose. And then I have my shirts that are just right up here. Let's just basically repeat the same stuff because it's the same process. It's very simple, guys. I have just some swimsuits. Again, not really gonna go much into too much detail because I don't want to put myself out there like that. You understand what I'm saying, right? It's kind of smart to pack them on top of your other clothes because if something does spill, this is like water resistant. So to kind of like not ruin the rest of your clothes. I really like these because what they do is they kind of just sandwich everything together, you know what I'm saying? So I really enjoy just using these to kind of like pack down my clothing. Next, I am going to pack my shoes. I like packing them in just little grocery bags because it keeps the bottom of the shoe from coming into contact with any of your clean clothes because it's, let's be honest, shoes, the bottom of them, they're not the cleanest. So yeah, I have my first pair of shoes, my little sandals, because I'm only taking 3. So, and 2 of them are sandals, and then 1 of them I'm wearing to the airport. So that's also a pro hack. If you don't have room for a pair of shoes, like if you have bulky shoes, just wear them to the airport. You might look crazy if they're like super crazy shoes, but like at least you can bring them. So yeah, I'm just popping these in a grocery bag. I try to give each shoe, try to lay them down how they would in a box, and then I try to give each shoe its own bag just so you're not, I don't know, cross-contaminating shoes. That sounds so stupid. I'm just gonna repeat the process with my black ones. I probably will on the trip, so it's good to have them just so when I bring them back, like, you know, have a bag so when I bring them back, they'll have a little home coming off. So the last thing that I have to pack are just like shampoos, bottles of whatever I have to pack. So I'm gonna go get that all together and then I'm gonna bring it back in here, and then we're just gonna finish this video by just packing like my skincare, body care. The only thing that I'm not gonna show, and I'll just tell you this now, is personal like feminine items. Like, I have nothing against like talking about it and showing it, but just know that they're in here for like just in case emergencies. It's always smart to have a little bit extra, just like I believe it's really good to have extra like underclothes just in case, because you never know what's gonna happen. You might like start your period, or you might have to change your outfit, or just something bad might happen. You never know, so it's always best to at least bring extra, even just clothes in general. Okay, so now I am going to show you how I pack my like makeup and body wash and all that. So let's just get into that. So the really cool thing about this carry-on is it has like a wet pocket, it says. So that's pretty dang cool. So like if something spills, it's waterproof and won't come through. So what I like to do is I put like my face oils. This is my makeup remover. I'll just shove that in there. I'll put my like deodorant in here. I have my setting spray that I'll put in there. I'll just put my lotion, my face lotion in there. My face, like my spin brush, I'm gonna just stick on top of my swimsuit. So, okay, so now that I have my makeup, I'm just going to put it right here in this top pouch. I have it all just like in a makeup bag so I don't lose it. I also have a face mask that I'm going to put in the wet pouch. And then for body wash, something that I thought is a really smart idea, instead of bringing like your gel body wash, unless that's only what works for you, then just get like the little travel size things, or like get the little travel things that you can squeeze your lotions and soaps into. That's normally what I do, but I lost mine. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm just gonna take a bar soap with me. It's already in a pack. It's not a liquid, but it's 4 ounces. So I think we'll be good. I'll just stick this right here in the wet one. I have a lint roller, I have my Hoola bronzer, and then I have some lashes. I brought a few pair. One thing that I did, I put like a bunch in one. They look like little caterpillars, they're so weird. And then I put like my favorite ones in a different one, just to like make it easy to bring them with. So hopefully this doesn't do what it just did and pop off during flight. So I'm just gonna, now that there's like, I finished and there's a little bit of room left, I'm gonna just push this stuff down and put my toothbrush right there at the top. The problem I'm running into with my toothpaste, you might be like, where's her toothpaste? My toothpaste can't go with me because it's too big. And I don't have travel size stuff because I let my family use my travel size when they came. So I'm just gonna get some more toothpaste once I get to my destination, or after I get in the airport, just like buy some more. Oh, one last thing. You might be like, what are these pink shoes? These are what we call shower shoes. A lot of hotels, sometimes I just have a hard time trusting that they fully clean everything. So when I take a shower, me and my mom, we like to wear shower shoes. So here are my shower shoes. And just because I'm not using them right now, oh, I have an extra bag, perfect, for dirty clothes, how great. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick them in here. It's not like the bottoms of these are like really dirty because again, they've just been in soap and water in the shower. Those are the only places that these see. Okay guys, so that is my carry-on. So this video is kind of longer, but hopefully I can edit it to where it won't be so long. One last thing that I do is I take my laptop with me, and this has like the perfect little thing in the front for it. So just gonna unzip this, shove my laptop, well, not shove it, but like carefully put my laptop in the little pouch. Okay, so that is my carry-on all packed and ready to go for my trip, and I'm pretty proud of myself. It's not like toppling over. Yeah, now that my laptop's in here, it's a lot more front heavy. So that's why I try to not make my actual like bag itself, like with all my clothes and stuff, front heavy, because I know my laptop weighs a good like 5 to 6 pounds. It's one of the older MacBooks. It's not the newer one. So, and it's not the Air. So I have to be really careful with like overpacking and making sure like when I'm going to the airport, it doesn't just like, you know what I mean? So let's move on to my backpack. Okay guys, so I have packed my backpack and I'm just gonna pretty much show you how I pack it and like what's in here, just so you know like what I'm taking on my back. You'll be surprised, this is literally like a little Mary Poppins bag and I love it. Okay, so we're gonna open it. It's my little guest bag. So first of all, I'm just gonna pull things out as I have them. So the first thing I have in here is a power bank. Then I have my actual charging cord for my phone. I make sure I bring my glasses with me. So the next thing I have in here is just like a simple pair of like shades. I like to just keep these with me just in case, you know, super simple. My other ones I'm taking are my Ray-Bans, but they're in my car, so I couldn't bring them in this video. Like they're not gonna be in the video, but I'm taking them with me. The next thing that I have are just some wipes. I'm gonna be honest, I hate toilet paper. I like wipes instead. I also just have in here, I'm not even gonna take it out, but I just have like ibuprofen, just some medicine. And then I have like chapstick in there just for your lips. They get dry on the plane, so. And then I have my purse, well, one of them. Again, this is literally like a Mary Poppins bag, I'm not joking. And then I have my other purse. Oh, somebody come get me. Yeah, I don't really have anything in these. Just change, if I'm being honest with you, and like a necklace, so that's great. Just another purse. The last thing I have in here, and don't shoot me for this because I don't have the case for it because I'm cringing at myself. I have my Beats. Yeah, they're just literally just laying in there, and I'm kind of terrified because I don't want them getting scratched up. Like, these things are my babies. They're expensive and like I want to take care of them. These are just really good for like, I don't know why I'm putting them on now because like I'm not listening to anything, but they're really good just for like taking on the plane, watching your movies, watching your Netflix, not having to worry about a cord getting yanked on somebody or like something. That's like the worst. So I just have like a little mini Ariana Grande perfume. I have a hand sanitizer. I have chapstick. I have some hair ties. I have a like lipstick, lip cream, whatever you guys like to call them nowadays. And then I have some loose change from Europe. So they have no value here, but that's okay. It's still cool. So yeah, that's all that's in my carry-on, or not my carry-on. That's normally what I call these because I never really take like a carry-on with me. But that's all that's in my personal item. And so yeah, that's how I pack these, guys. Okay guys, so we have finally come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is definitely the video that I've taken that has filmed that has taken the longest, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment down below to let me know that you like what I had to show. And yeah, I'm not gonna bore you with an outro. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please come back to see my next video. Wish me luck editing this, and I hope you guys have a great day, and much love. Bye guys.